Welcome back everyone. Today I'm working on this filthy Toyota Highlander. It's going to be receiving an interior and exterior cleaning. My question in the video is, what are your thoughts on Toyota's vehicle lineup? I'm a fan for their dependability as I own 3 Toyotas myself. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm using some super clean to remove the blooming off these tires. Then I'm going to use some Adams iron remover and P&S brake buster to get these rims completely clean. With the tires and jams cleaned, I'm spraying some P&S Bug Off to help break down all the stuck-on bugs that can really eat through the clear coat. In my previous video, I had a quote from the 80s comedy Coming to America. The first person to correctly identify it was at WhoDoneIt218. Let's see who can identify the quote from this video. After coating the vehicle with some thick, luxurious foam, I'm using my detail brush to work the tight areas and lines between panels. Then I'll use my microfiber mitt to give it a soft contact wash, and follow that up with a rinse and dry the paint. Having the ability to use a pressure washer on the floor mats really does make a detail go much faster. Currently, I'm using a Simpson gas pressure washer. I'd really like to invest in an electric one that I don't have to turn on and off all the time. If you have any recommendations on quality electric pressure washers, leave them in the comments below. Then I'll use my Bissell to extract as much water as possible, and with the warm sun and brisk breeze, it makes drying these mats out go really quickly. I love these Highlanders for their spacious interior and the sharp lines on the exterior, but I really detest the poor quality carpet that makes vacuuming a pain. I know what you're thinking. Will I get all that sand and dirt out of those fibers? Well, being this is a Craftsman, one of the most powerful shop vacs out there, you gotta ask yourself one question. Do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk? Fortunately, I have the Tornador to help make the vacuuming process go much faster, and it allows me to not remove the seats and still get all the tight spots cleaned. The trim will also get a good cleaning with P&S Express. The entire interior had a thin layer of dirt and grime that was really surprising and satisfying to remove. The driver's seat was completely covered in body oils and grime. Using my cleaner and drill brush attachment, I was able to loosen up those oils. Just wait until you see how much dirt the microfiber removes. I protect the newly cleaned seats by applying some Lexol leather conditioner to rejuvenate them and leave them feeling soft and supple. I apply some 303 aerospace protectant to finalize the look and give it some great UV protection. I have this link down in the description below. Order a bottle and try it. You will not be disappointed. The finishing touch of this detail is applying some Griot's 3-in-1 ceramic wax to leave the paint looking glossy and wet. This Highlander turned out fabulous. If you enjoyed the video, go on down and hit that like button and share it to your friends. As always, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, keep it clean.